Today's Sunday at 10 a.m. or so. I just woke up and showered. I'm supposed to be modeling for my friend. She's having a photo shoot for her lip gloss line. So she's launching some new products. So I was supposed to be going there pretty soon. But she'll call me first. I need to braid my hair. My hair is in twist. I washed it last night, so it's currently in twist. There's no lights in my room, and you guys know my room has very poor lighting, so I have to stand outside to do this intro. The things we do for YouTube. So put my hair in like say 4 or 5 braids, just so I can wear my wig on top, and I'm just going to start doing that now. You guys, so I just finished braiding my hair. I did some very ugly chunky braids because I just need to put my wig on top. I have content to create for this hair brand later in the day. I just hope this photo shoot ends on time because I have a very busy week ahead of me, so I have to create content this evening, and so I'm going to be using these braids again. I need to start getting my things ready because I'm doing the makeup for like the two of my other friends. I'm doing their makeup, so I haven't done makeup for somebody else in so long, like in such a long time. I can't even remember the last time I did makeup on somebody else, and I pray it comes out well. If it doesn't, it's going to come out well. I don't know why I'm doubting myself. I know it's going to come out well, but we'll see how it goes.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose. Talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface, and I could walk for days searching for your prey.
Okay, you guys, I am ready and I'm about to go out now. No, I'm not. You guys, so we're at the hotel now, and what? We're at the hotel now. I'm about to start doing somebody's makeup.
Somebody, your best friend.
See how she's claiming me. Why are you claiming me?
I bet do video.
So I'm about to start doing our makeup now. Oh, Jesus.
Are you still touching Brasha's face? All this on time.
I'm not even doing any better touch up for her sake. Hey guys, so today Tuesday 9. I didn't vlog yesterday because I didn't really do anything. I just went to work and I got back and I slept because I was so tired. I have content to create for a brand excuse me, for a brand on Instagram, but I've been stalling for no particular reason. I've just been like really lazy and unmotivated to film. The last 2 videos I filmed for YouTube, yeah, like they were sit down makeup tutorials, like regular get ready with me. Like the last 2 videos my mic was not plugged in. Let me make sure it's plugged in properly now, because the last 2 videos my mic was not plugged in properly, so the audio was messed up, so I couldn't use them. So now I have to, you guys get what I'm trying to say. But one of my sweet subscribers and follower on IG sent me some clothes. She's a fashion designer. She makes clothes. She makes Ankara prints and ready to wear clothes. So she sent me some clothes, and let me just show you guys real quick. Like, I've been doing quite a lot of shopping this period. Like, this bag is full of clothes I just bought that I've not worn. I just added the one I collected here. So let me just, yeah, so she sent me 3 pieces of clothes. She sent me this really nice mini skirt. This is an Ankara skirt, an Ankara print skirt. Wow, my neck hurts. Then she sent me this really nice crop top as well. This is an off-shoulder crop top, like a really nice cropped top. And she also sent me this top that I really, oh, by the way, she sent a hairband with this top as well, which is so cute and so thoughtful. And she also sent me this nice lilac color, like this is like a pastel color top. It's a crop top as well. Like, I am absolutely in love with this top. I am completely in love with this top. Like, you guys, I love it so much. This top, fam, I'm going to be slaying this clothes pretty soon because I'm so happy. Like, I'm so freaking happy. Thank you so much, Telma. Her name is Telma. I'm going to leave a handle on the screen so you guys can check her out. And yeah, so it's quite late, so I just want to go sleep because I have work tomorrow. Maybe I'll do a little try on haul for you guys of all the clothes I've been buying. If you guys want me to do that, please just let me know down below. So I'll do a little try on haul of all the clothes I've been buying for the past few weeks. Mind you, they're not from like designer brands or something. They're not from Pretty Little Thing or Fashion Nova, sorry, and all that. I've been trying to shop on Pretty Little Thing for a little while now, and for some reason they've been rejecting my card. Let me know if you want me to do a little try on haul, because I've just been buying things from random boutiques and online shops and all that. But just let me know if you want me to do a try on haul, and I will do that because I love you all. Okay, all right, so good night. Hey guys, so today is what, Wednesday? No, it's not Wednesday, it's Thursday actually, and it's like 12:06. I just finished filming for Instagram. Like, can you guys see? Life of a content creator. And I'm traveling tomorrow, or today rather, which is Thursday. I'm going to see my boo. I have a flight to catch by 10 a.m. 10 freaking a.m. and I'm still awake by 12. I don't think I'll be able to sleep tonight, to be honest, because my room is a mess. Let me show you guys my room. Let me show you guys. See my room. I just finished filming. Everywhere is scattered filming, and right now I'm going to clean my room because I cannot leave this kind of mess. I cannot travel and leave this mess in the room because I'll come back to it, which I don't want to. I'm just trying to mount this. This is mounted here, which I don't want to. So I'm going to try and clean. Wow. Oh, this dress is doing things to my body, like. So I'm going to clean my room now. I don't know if I should show you guys. No, this is too messy. Like, it's not cute. It's not cute at all. So it's not cute. So I can't show you. Okay, guys. So I'm done arranging to an extent now. I'm so sweaty. So I have to pack. This is my box, and these are my clothes. I'm done packing now, guys. So I am about to straighten my wig. That I'm going to be wearing tomorrow. Like, it's past 1 a.m. right now. Where's my phone? Okay, so it's like what's 1:30. It's like 1:30 in the morning, and I'm about to straighten my wig.
When you talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface. For days, searching for your praise, but is it even there to find? Is there a chance for me to learn your memories? Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I
going to shower and go to bed. Hey guys, so I am currently in Abuja now and it's evening already. I'm going to be ending this vlog here because I want to vlog my weekend, so I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Okay.